Hey guys, what's up? It's Nina and I'm back with another video. So I was online looking at goodness knows what, ended up down the rabbit hole somewhere, and I came across this ad, a Refinery 29 ad, that really stopped me in my tracks. From what I've seen, it is very unusual to see locks in the mainstream, especially on a woman. Refinery 29 is a fashion and beauty style, all of that website for women, and it was just highly unusual to see an ad with a girl with locks for this website. You can look at the NFL or the NBA and you will just see a ton of guys with locks. And in the music industry too, you can pick out 5 people from the charts right now and they all have locks, men. There's a couple that I follow here on YouTube, and the guy is, I think he might be Hispanic. The woman has locks, and he was talking about how he always thought that locks were masculine because he always saw football players with them. I felt like that was very sad because, I don't know, personally I feel like locks are unisex. Locks should not be either feminine or masculine. Another theory could be that locks are not soft in a way that we typically think of hair being. They're very sturdy. They have a lot of weight to them, a lot of heft to them. Maybe psychologically there's this idea that that is what makes them less feminine. And also the fact that women are just more on the hook for subscribing to Eurocentric beauty ideals than men are. So for women, it's about having this loose flowing hair. Like, you can get your locks to flow all day, but somehow people will still consider them not feminine. And that's just something that I really don't understand, because I could point to several examples that say otherwise. Even when it comes to publications that are specifically made for Black people, Black women, like Essence, even those publications don't really highlight locks as much as they could. I just think it's a missed opportunity to celebrate another form of Black beauty. Plenty of women have locks, plenty of women keep their locks beautiful and clean, and at this point in 2019, I just feel like there's no reason that there should still be this sort of disparity between who is visible with locks in the mainstream and who isn't. So that's all I have for this video. Let me know your thoughts on this, your thoughts on locks and femininity, your thoughts on, just locks in the mainstream in general. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.